single race.
Yeah.
First roller coaster at Djurs Sommerland.
The chorus looks amazing.
Yeah, way! Yeah, this train is awesome. Whee! Oh my god, this is very cute. And we're back at the station. Woo! One more time. This is really cute. This is a great kiddie coaster. Oh, wow. Oh no, one more time. Woo! So we're doing 3 laps in this one. By the way, it was a walk-on ride, so that was nice. Today, to not make a hyper long vlog as we did the other time, you're gonna get the reviews on the POVs. What you see is the review. You see our emotions, you see what we say. That's it. So I love the trains on this one.
This is amazing.
Awesome.
Nice. Well,